P4x 5G comes with 6.72 inches Full HD plus IPS LCD display, and 144Hz refresh rate. Rear camera's 50 megapixel main camera, and 2 megapixel depth camera with 4K video, 8 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p video, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra, 4 nanometer. Chipset. It runs on Android 15, with REALME UI 6.0, comes with 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. Support microSD card. Backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging. Measures 8.39mm thickness, and 208 grams weight, and color options, matte silver, elegant, pink, and lake green. Other features includes side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C charging, Type-C jack, stereo speakers, and IP64. Rating. Pricing starts at 15,999 Indian rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB model.